We can't forget about top stock picks this week. Brian, you have an interesting one in the building products area.
Right. Comfort Systems is, FIX is the ticker, fix. So they're going to fix your systems, make things warm inside. It's a HVAC, so heating, ventilation, air conditioning company. And they service major buildings. So it's not just for your furnace or for your air conditioner, Shiraz. It's for the entire building. So the idea is that they're basically servicing the southeast area of the United States of America, and recent IAC numbers were pretty strong, especially in the southeast, so that's a good thing going for them. Then I think I want to talk about the polar vortex real quick and how that's been helping them. So you have a freeze, thaw, freeze, thaw, freeze situation going on, and we've seen this burst a lot of pipes, maybe a little bit more around here, local Chicago, but it's also affecting the greater part of the country here. So what you're going to see is a lot of furnaces, a lot of those heating and ventilation systems need further repair over the coming couple quarters. So when you have this sort of stress on the system like that, getting aligned with this sort of business right here is probably a good idea.
All right, David, you've got a shipper.
Yeah, Paragon Shipping. They're a dry bulk shipping operation. What I look at is the Baltic Dry Index. Okay, so this is basically an average of what it costs to ship across 20 different shipping routes with 4 different sizes of tankers.
Right.
And it's used as a leading indicator, really, because the number of tankers is kind of fixed, right? So then all that's going to change is the demand for it, and the price is going to go up and down. So Baltic Dry last year tripled. Okay, this year sold off heavily. Now we're at like $12.85, which I think is 20% above where we were in January. So as a result, let's look at some of the dry bulk shipping companies that are going to benefit from it. So Paragon's one of them. The stock went nuts last year, and this year what happened? They had an offering at 6.25. Okay, so stock was trading at 7.25. They price the offering 6.25. Guess what happens? Stock drops to 6.25. Right. So as a result of that, basically, it's a great company that's on sale that it's going to have higher input costs, or input prices. So that's why I'm a buyer of Paragon right here around $7.
Okay, you're looking in the oil and gas area.
That's right. Magellan, MMP, this is a oil and gas master limited partnership, primarily on the crude oil and refined products side of the business. They have one of the best growth profiles in terms of distributable cash flows. The stock is currently around 70. My sense is that over the next 12 to 18 months, could easily be north of $80. They have a 3.5% yield on top of that. They recently reported better than expected results and not only beat expectations, but guided higher, and even provided better guidance than the aggressive and optimistic expectations that market had for their distribution growth over 2014 and 15. So the company is saying they will increase their distributions, that's what they call their dividends, by 20% in 2014 and 15% in 2015, and judging by their history, they tend to be a bit on the conservative side, so the reality will actually most likely be even better than that. So very strong distribution growth profile, a very low risk, fee-based kind of revenue cash flow stream, and low beta. So you can't go wrong with this kind of a stock in this type of environment.
All right, thank you all for that. Don't forget to keep an eye on Zacks.com for ever-changing and frequently updated stock picks throughout the week. You want to get on over there if you're not there watching this video already. With everyone here, I'm Terry Ruffalo.